It's Heidi with Nest Pretty. I am the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. It's all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. I'm here in my closet and I meant to change out into my next 10-piece wardrobe for fall back on October 1st. However, it has continued to be summer here until this morning. Yesterday was gorgeous, it was hot, sunny, and this morning it was 64 degrees. So now is the time. It's official. I need to change out my closet. So my closet, I have been taking all of the items from summer, washing them, pressing them, and I'm ready to store them for next year. I'm also in the process of curating my wardrobe for fall. So that's quite a process. So right now my closet is empty. I'm gonna take my shorts and I'm gonna hang or put them up in a box, and I'm gonna bring some jeans down because it's pretty impossible to wear jeans in Florida until the weather breaks. So today I probably could have wore jeans. So basically it's time to make a whole bunch of decisions. However, I'm just here to say, and I'm going to be super honest with you, I am a few pounds overweight. And you know, it doesn't matter who you are, 5 pounds can make or break a wardrobe. And I have a pretty flexible wardrobe that if, you know, as my weight goes up and down, which it naturally does every day, just like for everyone, I can be very comfortable regardless. But once you get past that little tipping point, it becomes a little bit more of an issue. This is what I teach, though. If I come to your home and help you organize your closet, the question is, does it fit today? And if not, then consider getting rid of it. Of course, it's like, you know, I'm not talking about the things that you can get into every other week, depending on your body. But I'm talking about things that have been hanging there for maybe years that you have not been able to get into. Then just consider getting rid of it. Reason being is that as those items hang there and you're not able to get into them, it can become a source of angst and frustration when you're getting dressed in the morning. So I'm in a good place right now because I have no clothes hanging in here. But this is the part I want to be really honest with you about, is that I'm not in a hurry to purchase clothes because I want to lose a little bit of weight. But here's the thing. I love my body where it is today, and clearly I need clothes. So I'm going to have to make some purchases. And as long as clothes fit, I love them. And what's the other thing? I have to love it. It has to fit. And it has to be something that's going to fit into my 10-piece wardrobe. Those are the criteria. And it doesn't matter what that number is inside of the little tag. It doesn't matter. It just needs to fit. It just means for me it's going to require a little more work because I'll have to go try things on, and you all know I hate that. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty telling you that, hey, it's a process and we're all in the process together. And the key to getting dressed every day and absolutely enjoying the process is having clothes that you love and that fit you. So here's the thing. If I purchase clothes that fit me today and then I lose the weight, well, oh well. That just means I get to go shopping again, which I hate doing. But I just wanted to be super honest with you because it's an issue for all of us, regardless of who you are. We all, 5 pounds either way can make or break a wardrobe. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. I'm here to encourage you to purchase clothes that fit you today and don't worry about what doesn't fit you anymore. Also, of course, as we continue to reach toward our goals, whatever those are. I'm not even going to tell you what mine are. But this is something I'm going to say today, like as I'm clearing out my wardrobe, my summer wardrobe. This is a dress that I got at a thrift store. It has been fantastic. It's one of those dresses that kind of feels like pajamas, and a couple of the buttons are gone, and I have used it and abused it until there's nothing left. So this is going in the garbage. I took a couple of other things to Goodwill this morning, and I'm in a good spot to start my curation. So I hope that this inspires you to get ready for the fall season where you are today. Just love where you are. Love where you are, and love your wardrobe where you are. Peace. I hope you all have a fantastic evening, and we'll talk soon. Bye.